In front of me is Redmi Note 15 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Start by opening Settings and tapping on Bluetooth right away. Now activate it thanks to this switcher at the top and wait for available devices to show. When they do, just click on the one you wanna connect to. Click on this icon next to allow access to your contacts and call history to turn it on or switch it off and then select pair. Now wait for the other device to accept your connection request or accept it manually if it's a smartphone or a tablet. As you can see, after a few seconds, my devices were successfully connected. To manage this connection, click on this icon next to your connected device and operate all of those options however you want to, like unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!